In front of me is POCO X3 GT, and today I would like to show you how you can download and apply animated live wallpaper called Magic Fluid. You need to begin by opening Play Store and clicking on the search bar. Following that, type in Magic Fluid. Then download this free app from Mad Scientist developer, and when it's ready, open it. You can mute the music right away by tapping on the bottom left corner. Now select those three lines at the bottom right one. Tap on Set as Live Wallpaper and select this gear at the top right corner. Now, after clicking on I accept in First Things First pop-up, you can adjust all of those options however you wish to. When you finished, click on the back button, tap on Set Wallpaper, and decide if you want to apply it or home screen and lock screen by tapping on one of those options. So when I do that and go back, as you can see, Magic Fluids was successfully applied. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!